cloudy or longer tomorrow. It's going to take some time before we break out to partly sunny skies, and those temperatures will be a bit cooler because of that. So cloudy morning, slow clearing to partly sunny. On the coast, it's going to take quite a bit more time to clear, and I'm thinking we're going to stay mostly cloudy for much of the day. Upper 50s to the low 60s. Aberdeen, Hoquiam, you're going to be right around the low 60s. We also have a chance of a little drizzle here on the coast. As that marine push comes in, that best chance of drizzle will be on the coast and through the strait. The South Sound could have some spotty areas of drizzle, but for the most part, I think it's just the morning cloud cover we're going to see, and temperatures will be right around the low 70s for your daytime high, 70 for Chehalis and Centralia. To the north, low clouds moving in. Again, a chance of a little bit of drizzle through the strait around Whidbey Island and through the San Juans. Mid to upper 60s for your daytime high. Upper 60s you move inland towards Lake Stevens and Snohomish. We should be closer to 70 for Seattle, 71 for Renton. And again, nice day ahead, just a little cloudier, a little cooler. It'll be comfortable in the mountains. Partly sunny skies expected here with pass highs in the mid 60s. Now the 5-day forecast after tomorrow's little bit of clouds and morning drizzle through the first part of your day. We're going to see less morning clouds on Wednesday. At least it's going to clear out a lot sooner and temperatures will begin to warm. Low 70s. Mid to upper 70s Thursday and Friday as high pressure takes control. Those are going to be our sunniest, warmest days of the week. As we get to the weekend, oh, you guessed it, another little disturbance rolling through that'll bring an increased amount of cloud cover in the morning. Temperatures a little cooler in the afternoon, mid 70s, but we're still going to have the afternoon sunshine. The all-important torchlight parade here on KIRO-7, as you pointed out, Steve.
Right.
Working on the promotion there. It looks like it's going to be dry. It's going to be really nice.
Sounds perfect. We'll take it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Still ahead, Sonics fans will have to get used to a new name.
And the Mariners need to get their bats checked. Red Sox highlights from the safe next in sports.
Did his relentless pursuit of payment
I came to her house. Her mom and her brother came